English on the Move, Mastering Prepositions of Direction. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey through the dynamic world of prepositions of direction. We're not just going to learn them in theory, we're going to see how they work in real-life situations, making your English communication precise and eloquent. Let's dive in. Before we explore real-world examples, let's quickly refresh our memory. Prepositions of direction express movement from one place to another. They include words like to, towards, into, out of, across, through, under, over, and many more. Here's a quick example. She walked to the park. Now, let's jump into our daily lives. Imagine you're giving someone directions. Instead of saying, "Go there," we use these prepositions to be more precise. Example: walk down the street, turn left at the bakery, go through the park, and you'll see the library across the road. Notice how these prepositions give a clear and visual understanding of the path. When talking about travel or geography, these prepositions are indispensable. Example: I flew from New York to London. The Amazon River flows through Brazil. See how these sentences express movement and direction. Language isn't always literal. We often use prepositions of direction in metaphorical expressions. Example: John has gone from being a novice to becoming an expert programmer. Here, John didn't literally move, but he improved his skills, and we express that with the help of our handy prepositions. And that's a wrap, language explorers. Remember, using prepositions of direction not only improves your English accuracy but also adds vibrancy and precision to your conversations. Practice them, try to include them in your daily communication, and you'll see the difference. Keep practicing, and you'll keep improving. Join us for the next adventure into the realms of English language learning. Happy exploring!